If you have a pending payment on Cash App and you're wondering how to get your money back, this guide will walk you through the steps you can take. And the first thing that you need to do is open the Cash App on your phone and sign in to your account. And then I need you to tap the Activity tab. If you have a pending transaction, you'll see a clock icon next to it, indicating that the payment is still pending. So if you see that icon, tap on the pending transaction to view more details. In some cases, Cash App may ask you to take additional action, such as verifying your identity or confirming payment information. So I need you to complete any requested steps to help the transaction process. Now, sometimes a payment remains pending because the recipient hasn't accepted or received it yet. In other cases, Cash App may be experiencing temporary technical issues or delays with payment processing. If that's the case, give the transaction some time to process and you can continue checking the Activity tab for updates. Now, if the payment is still pending after waiting and you've completed any required verification steps, it's time to contact the Cash App support. So, when you open Cash App, go to your profile, select support, and choose the issue related to your pending payment. I need you to explain your situation respectfully and slowly as much as you can and provide any requested information. The support team can review your transaction and help determine whether the payment can be canceled, completed, or refunded. Okay? So basically, that's it for today's video on how you can try to get your money back from a pending Cash App transaction. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.